I done fell in love with your eyes. I done fell in love. I done fell in love with your eyes. I done fell in love with your eyes.
What's up, you guys? Welcome to my channel. My name is YARA, but I go by Keeks. Keeks on a beat, Keeks with the cheeks, Kiwi, whichever one is fine with me. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I laid this install, y'all. This is probably like my best install thus far, and I achieved this entire look using Ericka J products. We're going to see these products in action, so we just going to get right into the install. So I have my hair braided to the back already. I'm going to go in with some butterfly growth oil, and yes, I use it. As you guys can see, I'm not like one of them influencers that just, you know, show off the product and then just put it back in the packaging. I actually use this, and I'll do a video separately for that particular product because I've been using it for months now. So yeah, the only product that I didn't get during this freaking drop, y'all, was the freaking stuck on you styling gel. I didn't get that, so right here I'm using just regular Got2b. I was just moving too fast when I was checking out, but I had to make sure I got everything. So after I slick my edges back, I'm gonna go in with the Hold Me Down spray and just spray over it and then blow dry and make sure everything is just slicked back and out the way. Okay, so now I'm gonna begin my ball cap method, which was not one of my best, and also I really just don't understand why I'm just this damn extra like this. I honestly prefer to use tights as opposed to the actual caps, and I'll do an install with that later. You guys will see the difference. It's such a big difference, but yeah, I prefer to use sheer tights. So if you can get you some sheer tights, go ahead and do that. But yeah, I'm just, you know, cleaning off the cap, and then I'm gonna go in with the Hold Me Down adhesive skin guard. I think I sprayed 2 layers, but you might just see me doing 1 layer, but I think I did 2. So I'm gonna go in with the adhesive skin guard, let that dry, and then I'm gonna go in with the actual Hold Me Down adhesive, and then I do 2 small layers of this, and then I'm gonna put myself underneath the dryer. I was having slight technical difficulties with the Hold Me Down freeze spray, and that's because like I don't know what was going on with the actual like spray, the pump part, but I ended up replacing it after this video. So like it's a quick fix. I'm not one of them type of people that's gonna be like, yeah, I want my money back because this product don't work. I make it do what it do. But yeah, as long as you have like an extra little, you know, pump, you'll be good. If you even have this problem. That was just me, but I still made it work. So alright, so you want to make sure when you're spraying that spray that it's going directly where you want it to go, because I was struggling trying to get the freaking cap lifted off of my freaking skin. It hurts so bad, y'all. So make sure when you're using this product that you put it exactly where you need to go, because once it's there, it's stuck, baby. And yeah, the alcohol barely did it for me. So make sure you're just very careful and very precise with the placement of products. Okay, so now I have the lace tint. This is my first time using lace tint, y'all. I'm just so freaking late to the game. But Ericka J just dropped. I'm not gonna say just dropped because she been had these, but she has 3 different shades. She has light brown, medium brown, and dark brown. Here I am doing the first swatch, which was the light brown, going in with the medium brown, and then immediately after that the dark brown. I really don't know too much about lace tint, but I do want to say that the light brown and the medium brown, I didn't really see a big difference in those, but you can clearly see the dark brown is like for, you know, the more chocolatey babes. So I'm just gonna go in with the medium brown, and I'm going to tint my actual like lace front when it comes time. But in the meantime, I'm just gonna finish up my little ball cap method. Get it into the hair. This hair was from Locks Hair. It's a boutique here in Chicago. And y'all, I was like very upset. I ain't gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie. I'll talk about the hair later, but like, let's get into this tint, because look at it. Do you see that? Scalp, honey. Scalp. I was actually really shocked. Ain't no tint made a big difference, but now you won't catch me not using tint for my installs. Like, it definitely helps, like, times 10 with your install, baby. Because when I sprayed that, I was just like, whoa, okay, all right, we could do some of these. But yeah, I'm just going in. I'm about to actually start the, real install. So I'm doing the same exact thing, going in with the skin guard, and then after that, going in with the adhesive. I think I used 3 layers for the adhesive, and then I'm just going to go ahead and start applying my freaking lace to the adhesive because it dries really fast. So make sure y'all are working real quick. Yeah, so into this hair, I got the HD lace, and then I got 3 bundles of that 28-inch hair. And y'all, this hair is so freaking overhyped. I was just I was just not impressed at all. Well, I don't know. I'm going to just stop listening to the hype because I really was expecting to be like some really superb hair. But like when I tell y'all this is some shit I probably already came across, like it wasn't a shocker. It wasn't like a wow, I need to have this in my, it wasn't one of those. And also this freaking HD lace, for it to be HD, I had to do so much work to when I tell y'all I was plucking for I'm mad thinking about it. I was plucking for days, y'all. Like, literally. The knots on this motherfucker was big as hell. It was hard for me to bleach it. I just had so much trouble with this dango HD lace. I ain't even gonna lie to y'all. And I put a hole in it. I'm just all over the place. But I ain't put a hole in this install. It was just like later on down the line. Look at me admiring the lace tint. I just couldn't believe that it was melting into my skin like that. Like, it was transforming right before my eyes. I couldn't believe it. And then I'm going to do a side part because, again, I told y'all I was plucking for my life. And it got to the point where I gave up. So I technically had to do a side part by default because I didn't even pluck the other side. And I really didn't give a fuck either. So, yeah, I'm going to go underneath the dryer. Let myself dry for a little bit. I use my dryer a lot. That's another thing that helps with my installs too nowadays, y'all. Make sure you invest in a little dryer because, like, it'll speed the process up. It'll make sure your lace is really, like, adhere to your skin so that you're able to complete everything and everything be all smooth. Because I used to just use the blow dryer and I realized that my installs tend to come up quicker that way because it's not really fully dry. And then also, like, when it came time to styling and doing the baby hairs and stuff, it just wasn't working out until I got this blow dryer. So yeah, make sure y'all invest in the blow dryer at home for when you're not in the shop and stuff like that. Okay, so as you guys can see, it's pretty much melted. Like, would you look at it? I feel like that's my hair. Do you see that part? It just looks so natural. So now I'm gonna be moving into these freaking baby hairs, and y'all know I be having whole mental breakdown when it comes to this. But this particular install, I don't know. I felt like I had a little bit more confidence doing it, but I still was just struggling with my baby hairs. And I don't know, just for me personally, it's just always a hit or miss. I wasn't too fond of these baby hairs, but it was okay. And also, I'm all over the place because my hot comb was going out, y'all. Like, I had to hot comb my hair right now because it was not getting hot, but this time it was hot. So I'm like, you know what? I'm just gonna run it through there real quick and then do the baby hairs. But I'm gonna go back and then press it even more. But we're just gonna get into the baby hairs. I'm not even gonna say nothing. Y'all just gonna see like the frustration on my face. Like, we got through it, but damn. I make it look easy right now, but I'm telling y'all, it took me at least 30 minutes on my baby hairs. I'm not even gonna lie. Like I told y'all, baby hairs was always the hit or miss for me in every install that I've done. But like lately, I've been getting better, and that's because I've just been taking my time and just really sitting with it, really toying with it, just playing around with it, just keep swooping it and everything. But once I got it to where I wanted it to be, I just went ahead and started straightening the hair. Yeah, I'm using the Sleek Sheen. That is the protectant and the shine spray that Ericka J has. It smells so good, y'all. It smells so good. But like, I'm already out of that product. So if you're gonna buy that, make sure you got like at least three in your cart, because I went through that real fast. I'm not even gonna lie. So yeah, I'm just gonna continue to straighten my hair, and then I'll be back with like the hot combing again. Honestly, like my favorite part of the install, I don't know, something about me watching it melt into my skin and become my scalp and become my hair. I just love it. I just love it. Comment down below what your favorite part of the install is, because mine definitely is the hot comb process. But yeah, baby, this lace was laying. It was laying. Don't forget to do the snatch test, because where my lace going? No fucking wear with Ericka J products. Girl, she could sell water, and I'm gonna buy it literally because, like, I don't know, I think I'm a super fan at this point. I just really admire her transparency with her brand. I just really admire how hard she worked to build that brand. I've been like a day one A1 fan of her, like literally. Shout out to you, Ericka, girl. I love your products. Yeah, you're definitely an inspiration out here, girl. Keep doing your thing. Keep pushing them products, because you know I'm gonna keep buying it. Thank you, everybody, for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what you think. If you have questions, send them in my DM or just comment down below. I will help you out. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. He is really angry too. This is good promo. He is yanking. Crazy.